Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Jono here from jono-armstrong.com, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing John Crestani's super affiliate system. Now, I sent you an email yesterday and the day before talking to you about this, and I told you that I've asked John, and John's agreed to get on a live call with you guys to explain more about what this does. Now, there's a link down below in the description of this video where you can go and register for that call. So I'll let you do that in your own time, but please be aware that the seats are limited, okay? John only has a maximum of 500 seats on this call. I've just sent this video out to my email list of 20,000 people, so as you can imagine, these seats are going to fill up very, very quickly. Now, what is the super affiliate system that John Crestani is going to be selling to you on the call? Well, it's this. I'm in the members area of super affiliate system right now. It's a very robust course that comes with a ton of extra things that is going to help you to create a wildly profitable online business. And when I talk about a wildly profitable online business, I actually own a wildly profitable online business. It allows me to travel the world in style whenever I like. I can show you inside of my Warrior Plus and my JVZoo account so you can see that I'm not talking out of my bottom. This is my Warrior Plus account. You can see yesterday this is what I earned. Today the clocks have recently reset, so there's hardly anything in there, but as you can see over the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days, as an affiliate I've earned over $4,600, and as a merchant I've earned over $11,000. This is all pure profit. Okay, my JVZoo account as well, you can see today's not so good. Yesterday was over $2,000. If I go into my stats for the past 30 days for both of these, okay, so up to this, let's just go last month, okay, on JVZoo, and on Warrior Plus I'm going to go to the last 30 days. You can see how much you can earn with an online business like this. Okay, so the past 30 days on Warrior Plus as an affiliate, this is selling other people's products, I've earned $27,000. On JVZoo, again, selling other people's products, $11,900, and that's from selling other people's products. So that's what I'm going to deal with right now. I sell my own products as well, and that adds to my income. So my income alone over the past 30 days has been around $30,000 from selling other people's products. From selling my own products, you can see, okay, the past 30 days, $68,200. okay, so that combined with my affiliate earnings is well over $100,000. That's the potential that you can get from having your own online business that you can basically pack up into your laptop, take with you wherever you want to work in the world, as long as you have an internet connection. That's the beauty of a business like this. Now, John Crestani's business super affiliate system mainly focuses on ClickBank related products. If you don't know what ClickBank is, it's a huge bank or a huge library of digital products in various different niches, pretty much every niche you can imagine under the sun. Now, Warrior Plus and JVZoo, like the stats that I just showed you, this focuses on BizOp niche, on the BizOp niche, okay, the make money online niche. It focuses on software and info products that help people to make money online. But ClickBank focuses on other products as well in a range of different niches, from health and fitness, BizOps. It also has make money online stuff in there as well, finances, crypto, pet training, you name it, food, anything you can think of, they have products inside of ClickBank, and that's what makes this really good. And another reason why it's good to promote ClickBank is you don't need to apply for your affiliate link like you do inside of Warrior Plus and JVZoo. You have to apply to be able to promote, and especially if you're a newbie, you can face a brick wall with that because vendors won't always approve your links, right? With ClickBank, you get automatically approved for whatever you want, so it's very easy. Another good thing about ClickBank is you can directly withdraw to your bank account, okay? You don't have to have a PayPal account to do this. It's open to most countries in the world, and you can withdraw this directly to your local bank account, which is really cool. Okay, so what is inside the course? What are you getting for the money? Now, this is going to be costing around $997, so it is quite an expensive course. But the cost that I went through when I bought a high ticket product, when I got started online, the cost that I bought was $2,000. So this is half the price of the course that I bought, which strictly showed me how to make money on Warrior Plus and JVZoo. This shows you Warrior Plus, JVZoo, and ClickBank. Okay, now the good thing about this is, apart from all the training, which I'll show you now, and I'm not going to go into too much detail on the training because it's going to reveal too many secrets, okay, but basically this is set up on a weekly basis. So week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5, week 6, this breaks it down into weekly chunks. So it's a bit like going to kind of a mini university course where you learn all of this stuff by week, and then you have little tasks to do each week as well. You have goals to achieve. So it's very, very robust. You can see, okay, each of these modules on the left, if you click on them, they're going to expand, and they're going to have different videos inside of here. So welcome to Super Affiliate System, how the course works, what's in the course, why affiliate marketing, the Super Affiliate dashboard, the community, badges and why they matter, the secret to success, setting a goal. And then it gets into the system setup, so what you're going to need, joining an affiliate network, setting up a website, and inside of each of these modules there are different videos showing you each step of the way. So one thing that the Super Affiliate System focuses on is paid advertising. Now this is great because it means that you don't really need to have an email list, whereas in Warrior Plus and JVZoo the big focus is on building an email list to be able to promote. With the Super Affiliate System, they are showing you how to use paid advertising. So they're showing you how to use Google ads, they're showing you how to use YouTube ads, they're showing you how to use Facebook ads, and inside of the resources over here you also get access to the targeting data. Now I'm not going to show you the targeting data for obvious reasons, but they're going to show you exactly which people to target for these ads, which communities to target if it's on Facebook, which exact pages to target with these ads. They're going to give you all of they're going to give you all of the ads that you need to use. They've done everything for you. They're going to give you all the landing pages that you need. They give you all the affiliate networks, they give you the advertising networks to use, all the legal resources, everything basically that you need. They even give you all of the video ads that you can use. Now, John Crestani, apart from creating this really robust training course, he's also got a big YouTube channel, as you can see here. He's got over 86,000 subscribers. His videos are all very, very professional and well made. And you can use a lot of these videos for your own video ads. So all you're doing is you're taking these videos, you're using them as ads, you're placing them in front of people's eyes that are going to be interested in this, and then you pay per click. Okay, now using the targeting that John's given you inside of SAS, he's got the clicks down to around 10 cents per click. Now he's got a very unique selling system as well, where once those people go through from the ad, which costs you around 10 cents, they go through to a landing page and they go and watch a webinar, and then the webinar sells them onto this high ticket product. This is one of the ways that you can make money with this, is by selling the product itself. Now once it sells, then you get a 50% commission of $997, and it's very, very easy to do because you're paying 10 cents. Okay, maybe that person might not buy, maybe you have to get 100 people on there. Now if it's 10 cents a click, 100 people is going to cost you $10, right? $10 to get a sale of, what is it, 987 divided by 2, it's about 420 something dollars. Okay, that's a lot of money for a $10 that you've spent on these ads. So that's what makes this really cool, and that's the thing that I most like about Super Affiliate Systems. It gives you all the targeting data, it gives you all the ads, it shows you how to set these ads up. Okay, it also has weekly coaching calls, so you can jump on these calls, you can ask John any questions that you want during these coaching calls, and they're weekly calls. So if you're stuck with anything, you can always go over to support at any time and ask them if you get stuck with something, and then you can discuss stuff on the call with John in person every single week. Okay, there's also a community here, and I'm not going to click it because it's going to take through to a Facebook page, and you can't join that unless you're a member of the Super Affiliate System, but they do have a good community on Facebook there. And The course itself is so robust. You've got all of these modules in here. In fact, it's going to be pretty hard not to succeed with this. And once you do succeed, you know, you can work from anywhere in the world. And that's what really got me interested in affiliate marketing myself, because I wanted to be able to travel. I love traveling, okay? I wanted to be able to travel, take my laptop with me, do a couple of hours of work maximum per day, and then enjoy myself for the rest of the time, okay? Now it's got to the stage, you know, originally I wanted to be able to make $200 a day consistently online. That was my milestone, that was my goal. $100 I could save, $100 I could spend on travel, accommodation, flights, food, whatever. Now, as you've seen, you know, the past couple of days, I've today alone, when I woke up, okay, I'd earned over $4,500. Yesterday I'd earned $10,000. The day before was around $6,000. You know, it's just way surpassed my original earning milestones. It's just crazy money, and I'm able to use that money to invest in land, property, you know, travel in business class, stay in 5-star resorts. It's really good. I can buy my parents stuff that they could never afford. I could buy my wife stuff that she's always wanted, you know. It's life-changing stuff, and this course can really help you to achieve that, right? Now, it's not easy, okay? It's not easy. You might find courses out there that are going to tell you, oh yeah, this is really easy, you can get set up in 10 minutes, you can start earning in the next 24 hours. It's not the case, okay? This is a business, right? You need to treat it like an online business. You need to take this seriously. This is not just like a hobby or doing something on the side to earn a few extra bucks. This is a serious online business. The more time and effort you put into this, the more money you can make, okay? So it's not easy. In fact, it's quite difficult, but having a course like this, having a robust course which breaks it down into step-by-step modules that you can follow through with whenever you have time, this really helps, I know, right? Because I know when I first got started online, I was pretty blind, okay? I wanted to try and do everything for free. I was going to YouTube, I was trying to look up different things, you know. Today I'd get caught up with e-com. Tomorrow I'd be looking at Amazon FBA. The next day I'd be looking at drop shipping. The next day I'd be looking at affiliate marketing. The next day I'd be looking at crypto. There's so many opportunities out there, right? Most of them work, okay? But you need to find something where you have that roadmap that you can follow, because unless you have it, you're going to be stumbling around in the dark trying to figure out how to do this, right? If you have a roadmap like this, then it makes it so much more, it makes it so much easier. Yes, it's $997. Yes, that's a lot of money, but yes, it's 100% worth saving your money to buy something like this, because once you've bought something like this and you set it up and you start generating money and you put more time into it and you build up this business, then you built yourself an asset that is with you for life, you know? The internet is where things are happening right now. It's not like a brick and mortar business where there could be a depression, you know, in a year's time and you could lose everything. This is something it's just in its infancy. Everybody's online right now. Everybody's on YouTube. You know, more and more people are joining this online community every single day. People are shopping online. People are learning online. It's a great time to get involved with this. And once you've learned this, you know, you have that asset that you can take with you for the rest of your life, and you can generate money without leaving your house. You can generate money while you're on holiday. You know, it's a great asset to learn. It's such a good skill. You know, they should teach this stuff in school. They really should, but they don't, okay? But you can learn it right here. Anyway, that is what you're going to be getting inside of this. Now, as a bonus, if you buy this on the call, or if you buy this via my link, okay, I'm going to leave this video up on YouTube. Even after this live webinar has been done, which I've arranged personally with John Crestani, the live webinar is going to happen on the 10th of June 2019, okay, and it's going to be at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So there's a link down below, and if you click that link, you can go and register for this live call that John's going to be doing on Tuesday, on the 10th of June. Or is it Monday? Sorry, it's Monday the 10th of June, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. There will be a replay of this the following day at around 12 noon on the 11th. And then after that, once the webinar is done, the link down below, okay, that's going to take you to an auto webinar, okay, an automated webinar, an evergreen webinar that you can go and watch anytime you like. Okay, so that's it from me. If you are watching this and you are about to attend the live call, if you're watching this on June the 9th, okay, then remember to click on the link down below in the description of this YouTube video to go and grab access, go and register for the live call, which is going to be happening on June the 10th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, okay? Make sure that you register as soon as you can. Like I said, John only has 500 seats available on this call, and they're going to fill up very quickly because I'm sending this video out to 20,000 people, okay? So that's it from me. I hope you enjoyed this Super Affiliate System review, and I'll speak to you on the next one. All the best. Take care. Bye.